Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just sitting here at a park, looking just to pass the time, and brought a couple of drinks with me. This Energized Mountain Dew and a Mother Energy drink. And also, not to forget, got me vape pen, and of course me nicotine spray on the tongue and all that. So yeah, whilst I'm passing the time, I'm just going to be having a hit at my vape and my nicotine spray and doing one of these drinks. Which one to start with first, do I think? Start with the big energy drink or the lighter one, Mountain Dew. Obviously its caffeine's not as high. Let's see if I can get it on here. Look, probably looks a bit, I don't know, 56 milligrams totals in this can, opposed to this mother's 150 milligrams. So that's 206. Quite a bit of caffeine indeed. Well, but didn't have much this morning. I only had 2 coffees, so yeah, I'm gonna get more of a caffeine hit later on, or just a few seconds. But first, I'm gonna have a hit of this. And yeah, I know, if I squeeze up a bit, I taste it. It's a bit spicy stuff. And cough it goes down your throat. Yeah, it's a bit spicy. And all of the fun. It's all of the fun, eh? Alright, I'm going to start with this drink. Just open it. Pretty good. For anyone who's not tried this flavour yet, go get yourself one. It's pretty good. It tastes like raspberry. A drink holder. Get that, yep. Wind's pretty strong outside. Gonna have bad weather this weekend. That's unfortunate. Want to go for a good walk, get another walking video in, but fortunately this weather's just going to be crap and the rain's going to pour down later, so not going to be able to do that, unfortunately. But just for the time being, this is just what I can do at the moment. That's pretty much it. Yeah, another hit of this. Good stuff. Getting a buzz already. I'll just show you some bit how windy it is outside. See the trees moving about everywhere and all that. As you can see, trees are really being ruffled around by the wind. It's getting pretty strong out there. The grass over there too, just all the big bush, like grassy bush, whatever, but being blown around in the wind. It's fairly strong. So there, wind's picking up quite a lot. I've got a bit of time in my hands. Oh, feeling buzzed already. Pardon me. Excuse me. Gonna ruin me plans if I don't want to walk later. This wind. Yeah, it's just gotta happen on the weekend when we put the days off. My mind could not happen at a worse time. And yep, it's now just started raining. Well, there goes plans. This is not good. Nope, it is terrible. Oh dear. And wind's only going to get stronger. Don't know if you can see it on the windscreen, but there's just a few raindrops already. You can see it on the ground over there. Don't think you can see it, but where I'm seeing there's rain already hit the ground. It's leaving their marks. Yeah, from ages ago when I used to have a Monster import, I put the sticker on my steering wheel. I think it looks pretty cool, so I left it there just to cover it. I was reminded of that time where I had that awesome Monster. Yeah. Right, see if you can see this. There's the vape cloud. And just do more of it. There we go. Be back in a little bit. Yep. At least the rain's died down a bit. Wind seems to have calmed a little bit. Not much. Yes. It's almost finished. Yeah. Shall I get my camera and change hands? Yeah, strong stuff. Now, you can open this. Hang on. It's always enjoy a good Mountain Dew. The thing just changed colour. By the vaping of the camera, footage seems to change colour. Yeah, notice that again. Oh, that was a good one. Just passing the time. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, this wind's now picked up again, fortunately. So this will be the point to end the video. So enjoy it, like, subscribe, and catch you in the next one.